Keep your shoulders just loose and relax. Inhale. It's so relaxed and it's so light. Feel yourself fresh enough. Now I handed over the mic to our student who is going. Inhale and exhale.
It's International Yoga Day, and we as a institute, Vandya International School, we wanted to celebrate and inculcate all the cultural heritage what India is known for. And for that we have organized this International Yoga Day, and among us we have an international yoga player, Pranav Nath, who is an internationally renowned yoga player, who have come to felicitate this program.
Yoga Day, 9th Yoga Day, और प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीर प्रयासत एटू सक्सेस हो आछे और गोटे विश्वते तार प्रचार होइছে एबारत जेतु थीम होइছে वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम मैं मेसेज एटू দিব বিচাৰিছো যে সবে যোগা আকলে লওক আৰু ডেইলি ৰুটিনক এটু অন্তৰ্ভুক্ত কৰক।